Nah, that works. Bet. But yeah, how's the connection and everything? It's straight? You can get that previous is low at that yellow. I wouldn't deposit yet if you just fucked an account up. Good morning, everybody. Right now we got a mission. Get this car tire fixed. Oh boy. So right now, I have to go get my car, get it serviced, because I have to get one of the services, which is just basically getting your oil changed and everything for a Mercedes. But as you guys know, in yesterday's video, I popped my tire twice yesterday. I got it fixed the first time, but now I got to try to get it fixed. But now I got to drive 30 minutes to get the car serviced, and I don't even think they do tires. Then I got to take it somewhere else to do tires. Then I got to come back, and then we can trade. We got a long day. Alright, first things first, I need to put some air in this fucking tire, bro. Cause that shit's not gonna make it, big dog. Give me that. I ain't gonna lie, I don't think that did anything. Hold on, I don't think, bro, what the fuck? Alright, hold on. Alright, right now we about to pull up to the tire shop, bro. After calling a few places, my tire didn't seem like it was one that a lot of people have. It usually is that case. This is not. I had yesterday when the tire got popped, bro, we had to call like 6-7 different places just to find someone that had one. Today, same thing. I had to call 6-7 different places because I'm in a different area than I was yesterday. In the area I went to yesterday, I'm not driving all the way over there. That would be like a 40-minute drive. My tires sound crazy right now. I ain't gonna lie. Day 2 looking like this car. I hate seeing it. Oh yeah, you see that? It says it's gonna be displayed in a few minutes, but it's all good. Just like that, we get up out of here. Mission number 2. Now I'm about to speed my way home now that I can finally actually drive again. Then I'm gonna go get my laptop, and then once I get my laptop, I'm going to get my car serviced, which is just like the oil change and everything, because it's already 9:02. It says I'm gonna get to my house at 9:20. And the place is at 30 minutes away. So I'll probably get there at like 9:50. So I'll probably be on the charts for like 9:45, 10 o'clock. All right, now time to hurry up. Grab this, put that in there. What else do I need? A headset maybe, possibly. Yeah, I'll take my headset too. Why not, since we're bringing everything, right? All right, right now we on our way. We got about a 27-minute drive. It says we're gonna get there at 9:51. More than likely you can't see it. I got you in like the back of you right now. Hopefully you can see everything, but the main thing, I want you to just hear me. I low-key think I need to check the charts because I usually don't miss 9:30. Now I'm always not trading exactly at 9:30, but I always give myself the opportunity to figure out if the market has an opportunity at 9:30. But we're gonna be getting to the place a little late. Everything looks like it's dropping. I ain't gonna lie, I might not miss much. I ain't gonna lie. Yo, who can hear me? Hold on. Where is this shit at? Who can hear me on this, John? I got all this, hold on. Y'all probably do hear me. Let me change my headset. Nah, there we go. I probably sound like shit, but fuck it, we here. Now, how's everyone doing now? Nah, that works. Bet. But yeah, how's the connection and everything? It's straight? Copy that. Who all in this joint? Now that I can actually hear and I can actually think in peace. We gonna see what's up. I ain't looking to force nothing, but we gonna see what we can get. I'm definitely on the short side if the dollar keeps having to push higher. Even though it's having this drop now, I would overall want to see it keep pushing. Yeah, it ran the previous day's high. But after having this big movement, if it really just fully reverses from there, then it is what it is. I'm gonna bet on what's probably more likely. Probably keep pushing for now. Nah, yeah, I believe it. The way that shit was looking, these be the days where I would look for a buy and it would never happen. And it was just, I would keep being wrong. Nah, I'm definitely on more of the shorts, especially since we got this nice little high made after 80th session. This gap right in between here I like it for 10 o'clock, but it just hit 10, so we got a whole hour. We can get that previous day's low at that yellow. I'm in there for the shorts targeting. What would that be? Pre 9:30 low? Yeah, 8 o'clock low. But we gonna see what's up. Okay, hopefully somebody got a win. I am willing to take the L when it comes down to it, but this is first trade of the day. NAS 100 shorts at the previous day's low. Ideally, best case, I want to see this wick and hold that 4-hour gap right there. Perks. That's how I'd be feeling. Like, damn, fuck everything. About to be up at 200. Come on. Not yet. Not yet. Don't say that yet. Don't say that yet. Nah, that's about to be TP1 though. It's gonna be once I get to 300 profit. That's TP1. Hopefully, anyone that caught these shorts can take advantage of it. If you're not comfortable holding it, take this off right here because we just hit TP1. But where did I take a screenshot of this shit? Now we just hope for the best. Worst case, I lose nothing. Oh shit, I is definitely how I'm feeling with this shit taking so long. Life support right now, 8% running this whole chat. Shit. Now it's just me in the trade, hoping for the best going into 12 o'clock. I like the idea, but it's looking like it might be a break-even day. To wait for my car, which is somewhere out there. I don't know exactly where, but it's out there somewhere. But yeah, I just been in like this area over here. They got coffee, they got it all, bro. I just got my setup. Trying to get to work. We have 300. This is gonna pay for my tire. But we also had a few people that took the trade like actually with me. And I told them like, bro, I'm the only one that's gonna really have the confidence to hold my trade fully, to actually hold it to TP, hold it in drawdown. So when you get those points where you feel uncomfortable holding the trade, when you get to those points where you're thinking, should I hold it? Should I close it? Asking other people, trust me, just close it, break even, do something. Managing risk is key. And right now, regardless what happens, I can't lose nothing and I can't make nothing, but I can only make something. Just risk management, but I'll keep you guys updated. Honestly, you probably won't see me until the car is done. I'm gonna just chill. I've been here for like an hour and a half already. $200 later, a coffee, and it looks like a break-even trade. We got a car. All right, we back at the crib. I'm about to take the shower. I ain't get to take a shower because I've been out literally since 7:30 in the morning trying to get everything done with my car, but now that we're finally here, it's time for me to take a shower. We're in another trade. The first trade got stopped at break-even, but I like the way it was setting up going into 12 o'clock. Right now, I'm pretty sure I was in break even, but let's see. Overall, I like the idea. It's at a 1 hour fair value gap. Also, that daily fair value gap I was looking to get into the first trade. The idea is the same. Will it play out? We'll find out. All right, we just got back. Right now, I'm about to walk my dog. She over there going crazy on that water. I ain't gonna lie. She did poop though. She pooped on the floor, so I put her in a cage. So she may be dehydrated, but she'll be all right. But I'm about to take her for a walk. Like I said, then we're gonna head to the gym, get this workout on. We took a shower and everything. I feel nice and fresh, nice and clean. And as you guys see, the car is all good. We got service, tires done, everything. I got the insurance the other day, renewed my tags. We good. So that's why you see me speeding a little bit. I don't even care if I get pulled over again. I got everything I need to be cool. All right, we at the gym right now. About to get this workout. I already got my weights and everything. As you guys know, I be doing full body every day. Arms, back, chest, legs. I be doing it all. I go crazy. You'll probably see some of the clips, but I don't got my tripod, so the clips may not be that thorough. But I'm gonna make it happen. But I just signed someone up for a VIP. It was someone that was in the private inner circle, the free community. He was just having common problems that I identified because I'd be doing the same thing and used to do the same thing. It's just being aware of what's actually happening. People don't realize that they know what needs to change. They know what they need to do. They know what is gonna actually put them in the position to succeed, put them in a position to make money. But a lot of the time, we just don't actually do it. I could give you advice, right? But then I could still go and not listen to my own advice. But just because I know what I should do doesn't mean I'm actually gonna do it. A lot of the time, what's gonna change your position is actually doing, not saying, action. Words mean a lot, right? But actions mean everything. Action is everything. You can tell someone you love them, but if you don't show them with actions, it doesn't matter because words don't mean as much as actions itself. That's all we're gonna be doing, 1% a day, every single day, continuing to try to be our best self so that I can continue to try to make you your best self, because I can't help you without helping myself first. Simple as that. But as you guys saw with the VIP and everything, it was good. It was a good time. We caught that little trade, made a little $200, got our winning day. It was a good day overall, even though it was very hectic for the most part, but that's what happens. When you want to be an entrepreneur, when you want to chase your dreams, that's what happens. Shit's unpredictable, but my car's all good now. We at the gym now. Life is good. Let's keep continuing to try to be 1% better every single day, continuing trying to change lives and change ours, because until we can change ours, we can't change other people's. My phone about to die and shit. I'm tired of coming to the gym and my phone about to die. Can't even enjoy this shit. It's just gonna change people's lives, man. Not even just VIP, just me in general. These videos, YouTube videos, all of it. I love that it's actually seeing results, because I've been doing the same thing for years, bro. It's just actually now affecting people. People are actually tuning in and all that. I wouldn't deposit yet if you just fucked an account up. Test the waters now. Do it on a demo. If you could do it on there, you could do it on a real one. Just prove it to yourself first. You gotta want this shit, because at the end of the day, you're not gonna put yourself through this pain every single fucking day if you don't want it, bro. I swear to God, if you're not gonna stick through it, there's no point in starting, because, bro, this shit's not easy, bro. Just the fact that I enjoy going to the gym is one thing, but if I didn't enjoy it that much, putting myself through this much pain every single day, it's not worth it, bro. If you ain't gonna stick with it when times get hard, don't start. And we back in the crib. We about to edit this video. I'm also about to do my money management and everything. As you can see, the old setup that we finally at. And I ain't gonna lie, this is the first time I sat down in my actual desk. I've been using I have a sit-stand desk. And of recently, I just been standing up. Haven't really been using my chair. It's been pretty good for my back. I ain't gonna lie. If you want a sit-stand desk, I definitely recommend. I got this at IKEA for $500, probably 2 years ago. But the way inflation is, shit, probably $1,000, damn near. Out of breath, but that was a great workout. I ain't gonna lie. My phone ended up dying. My phone just turned on from being charged. So it was just a workout, just me, just going crazy, just in my thoughts. Sometimes that's very good, because sometimes you really gotta sit down with reality and talk to yourself. A lot of times people don't just sit down and think, and it shows. Common sense isn't so common no more. And a lot of problems you're having could be solved just by having a sit down with yourself, a deep sit down, not just sitting there, actually asking questions and answering them. That's the main thing. But I'm about to edit this video, and then I'm gonna go get my girl, and then we're probably gonna go get food. I still haven't ate, and it's 3 o'clock. I don't deserve to eat yet. Work's not done. And everybody, this is where the video is gonna come to an end. It was overall a good day, productive day. We made some money. I probably made about maybe $300, $400, but after paying for my car and everything, maybe like $100 or something like that. Maybe counting YouTube, maybe 120, 125. But the YouTube check don't hit until the end of the month. Yeah, it is what it is. YouTube money, it's not a lot, but I'll take it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully you found it informative. Hopefully you found it entertaining. I don't really have an entertaining life. All I'm here to do is show you my life, show you what I do on a day-to-day basis. Life of a trader. That's what this series is called. I make these videos as like a series for you guys to continue watching, just to watch the progression, watch what I have to go through, and also watch how I do it. Because I'm gonna do everything that I say I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do. That everything on that board is gonna get done. It's just a matter of when. But I'm gonna make it happen. I promise you that. And if you stick with me, I promise you'll make it there too. But if you want to learn how to trade, if you want to learn how to make money trading, make sure to check out the free course. I'm going to teach you everything you need to know from 0 all the way to 100. So check that out in the description. And once you have the proper knowledge, and once you're ready to actually trade live with the community and trade live with actually experienced traders like myself, and you can take my trades also to past funding challenges like people have done in the past, make sure you join the VIP Trader Network. I'll have a link to a promotion so you can get it for half off. Check the link in the description. But stay safe, stay productive, and I'll see you guys in the next video.